Having a cheerful and stylish home for the holidays is what we all want, right? Today I'm going to show you how to take your dining table decor from everyday to holiday in a few easy steps with items from RAZ Imports. Let's start by adding a layered greenery garland down the center of your table. Then change out items from other seasons for holiday decor. Add holiday-themed items paired with your everyday staple pieces. Remove your everyday greenery and replace with more festive stems. Restyle your items around the garland, making sure to focus on the center of your table. Creating a cheerful and stylish home for the holidays is a snap with RAZ Imports. For more design tips, go to razimports.com.